Bro, I picked up my phone for one notification. I said, let me just reply real quick. Next thing I know, I'm suddenly watching a video called Top 10 Ways Penguins Propose to Each Other. And the worst part is when you accidentally refresh your feed. Now the video is gone forever. Suddenly you become an FBI agent. You're like, okay, the guy was wearing a blue shirt, there was a chicken, and somebody fell down the stairs. Where is IT? Then your mom walks in and says, have you finished your homework? And you confidently say, almost. Meanwhile your homework is just the title and your name. And somehow phones have this magical power where you blink once, boom, it's already 2 a.m. Now you're lying in bed thinking, tomorrow, I'll fix my life. Then tomorrow comes, and you're back watching another penguin documentary.